Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you how to order Nutrafol if you're interested in it. Here's their website. So if you scroll down a bit, you see what kind of products they have. They have some for women, some for men, and depending on what you're going through. So you're going to click Take This Quiz and take the wellness quiz to figure out what products might work best for you. So I'm just going to go through this quiz real quick and show you the kind of questions it asks and how it works. So you're going to click on whatever your hair wellness goals are. So I'm just clicking through this, not necessarily for me, but just to show an example of what it looks like. You get to say when you started having issues, what kind of supplements you're currently taking to help your hair. It asks you for your age range. How would you describe your diet? Now it's going into hormones, and upcoming next is stress. What is the current condition of your hair? So is your hair thinning? Are you happy with your hair, but you just want it to be silkier and smoother, or is your hair falling out? So now we're in the stress section. They do have an adaptogen vitamin for stress. I got this in my package. So now it's asking about lifestyle. Going into metabolism. So which of these do you tend to experience? Do you feel tired after meals? Are you low energy? Do you gain weight easily? Which of these describe you? So you get to describe, do you have dull hair? Do you have dry skin? Are you prone to breakouts? Now into nutrition. How much fruit and vegetables do you consume each day? I feel like most of us do not get enough, so I selected the low option there. How often do you consume organic foods? Which of these are you experiencing regularly? Any stomach problems? Now the last one is aging. Are you experiencing any of the following changes to your skin? Dull, dry skin, wrinkles, thin skin? Are you attempting to grow your hair? Do you have dry, coarse hair, oily hair, flaky hair? Now this is where you would put in your email address. So once you enter in your email address, it will take you to this next page where it will show you which vitamins and supplements are the best for you with what you're currently going through. So if you click over to the side, the little eye, it'll show you a little bit more information about each section that you filled out in your quiz. So stress, nutrition, hormones, and it will show you how you ranked in all of those areas. And then if you go down, it'll show you the vitamins. So with that quiz, it shows that I need the women's vitamin and also the stress adaptogen vitamin. So if you see the regular vitamin is $79 a month, the adaptogen is $19 a month. You can do a monthly delivery or you can do 3-month delivery and save a little bit of money there. You can also speak to doctors through the website. Once you make a purchase, it says doctors on call is included and hair mineral analysis is also included. So you can view the ingredients as well and see what you're getting in your vitamins. So I'm going to go ahead and click add to cart, and then we'll see I've got honey over here saying that there's some coupons, or there might be some coupons. So I highly recommend using honey to see if you can get a little bit of a discount. And I can also add in this video another discount that you can use from me, from using my code. So you can definitely get some money off of your purchase. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.